Ebusia for welcome your friend me easy cd. Me pacho ejuma for frasa ya pai. Ejuma frasa ya pai you a pai. Pacho almost a site manager ewo Prampram. Into pacho wo Prampram area na. Ubetimenya sa ejuma we. Pacho ma overview kakra. Our client stands as a distinguished property development firm with a core emphasis on constructing high caliber single and multi-family residences. Don't you know? Pacho sa nipa na oye sa company, you know, as a oye more involved into single and multi-family homes. And pacho we are interested in being the site manager for that company now. Pacho mabe go through everything that they need before you can qualify for the job. And so there are things that you would do. So now first one, I will say that you oversee daily operations. Into any manner site you will be in charge. But your second one also obey you will coordinate employee schedules and ensure adequate coverage. And also self-explanatory. Number 3, you will enforce all workplace policies and procedures. And if there are rules in the job, say employees for no all those kind of things in your you will be in charge. Ebusia 4, I must say that you will also coordinate training and professional development activities for employees, and to know now be taking charge of training employees, also professional development activities. Susano, you will be in charge of all that kind of things. Number 5, also you conduct staff performance reviews. So maybe employee be honoma, so ye jumani ya you want to basso be honoma, so ye jumani ya we look for other ways and means that we can push that person to also be with their colleagues too as well. It was for requirement in there you don't have to know everything, but at least so to me who at least 10 out of 14 now you should be good for the job. But you almost also a requirement. Now requirement almost they want a minimum requirement here like bachelor's degree in architecture or building constructions. What I say. So what was degree now? You are also eligible to apply. But there's one thing I always say: even if you don't have that degree now, still apply. You never know, because everything is based on your assertiveness, how confident you are, your knowledge about the job. Sometimes some people will be but only paper no. What I say, we jumani nimdia, but only paper no. Into kwa, making sure say, set will CV, no cover letter ni ye in such a way say. Interviewer will be to me a year amano. Okay. Second of all, so some say they must be willing to be on site full time, must be willing to be on site. And but all the time they need you on the site. Must have at least 5 years experience. When say building there, you have to have experience, and he'll be on sure the experience. But they're not making or experience, but only paper. And it's all on your assertiveness, your confidence, the wow kasa, how poised you are. Just say depending who wants he's qualified. What I see. Another thing is budget management or be a patrol. See a man budget say more 50,000 now. Ultimate manage sikan in such a way says can be so materials in a ruby so sikan so best employees nina we will be a water management skills now and also no or more require. The patrol what they can offer a jumano patrol a 7,000 Ghana cedis a month. 7,000 Ghana cedis a month. The patrol almost a negotiable. I will have you higher natural. Almost the salary is negotiable based on experience. It based on your experience, once you scan the crab 10,000, 15, 20, Nina experience already over. Nina experience already over. Me pacho upese obeka sinti if na met me apply for a jumano pacho form to wait from 18 until higher from 18 years old. You can be 18 years old. You bet my 18. No what my site manager. Then you now so bet my 65 or 70, 80. Then age now also city awo bet more Accra, Bolga, Ho, Kufodria, Kumasi, Sunyane, but they need someone in Accra. Because Prampram, maybe Prampram, but yeah, will be all closer to Prampram or in Prampram, but you'll be a very higher candidate for the job. Current place to stay in so no maybe a ofele say will be now the so atoko or level of education. So we JHS, we master's degree, or bachelor's degree, so now they are to relevant experience. It's no then they want to know everything about you to make yourself you indeed qualified for the job. Okay. But you has so you upload CV. We see that's your resume. So now I then no click now with the resume. So I then ask on-site supervision experience. Open on-site supervision experience. Who was our experience now? Yes or no? Okay, so who was our experience now? Yes. Who needs experience now? No. I have seen so no. Oh, I said upload other relevant document. I have seen here will cover letter or cover letter, any other recommendations from other bosses, recommendation letter, patcho a man for who say who was sa experiences. Now man for who say, hey, nipa with the near juma bet my say juma ye or nim juma ye or say who was our letters near from reputable companies that very very simple. O sabekano pepe o sabekano so easy. Into patcho who the information in na section when you name one. Now me add submit. No me and then submit. Or submit a jumana. I believe say in about a week to 2 weeks, or maybe 3 weeks max, they should reach out to you and let you know whether they took you or not. And in Patrol, this is where I'm going to end the video. If you have any questions, Patrol, write in the comment section. I will gladly reply to it. I'm your host, Easy CD. Please make sure to like it and subscribe to the video.